My controller input is not a thermocouple, but an infrared pyrometer with a linear output signal of 4 to 20 milliamp DC. How can I configure my controller for this type of input? This video tutorial will show you how to change the input from a thermocouple to a linear milliamp input on a Eurotherm 2400 series controller. Presently the controller is set up as a Type K thermocouple with a range of 0 to 1372 degrees C. We are going to change it to a linear milliamp input infrared pyrometer, where the output of the infrared pyrometer 4 to 20 milliamp DC signal represents a range of 1000 degrees to 3000 degrees C. First, we must begin by putting the controller into the configuration level. Please note, when putting the controller into the configuration level, all outputs are shut off from the process. Before doing this, make sure it is safe to do so. We will be using the 4 buttons across the bottom of the controller. The leftmost button is called the page button. The next button to the right is the scroll button. The next button to the right is the down button. The final button to the right is the up button. First, we begin by pressing the page button repeatedly until we see a CCS list. Press the scroll button or key once and you will see code 0 or pass. With the up button, change the value to 1. Now press the scroll key once and you will see go to OPER. With the up or down buttons, change the value OPER to CONF. Now press the scroll key once and you will see code 0 or CONF pass. With the up button, change the value to 2. Now press the page button and the display will change to INST CONF. Now press the page button until the display reads IP config or IP CONF. Now press the scroll button once and the display will read input or INPT K.TC. Now press the up button to change the displayed value from K.TC to MA, standing for milliamp. Now press the scroll button until the display reads INP.H. The display should read INP.H is 20 milliamp. If it is not 20 milliamp, then with the up or down buttons, change the value to 20. Now press the scroll button until the display reads INP.L. The display should read INP.L is 4 milliamp. If it is not 4 milliamp, then with the up or down buttons, change the value to 4. Now press the scroll button until the display reads UAL.H. The display should read UAL.H is 0. Now change this value with the up or down buttons to 3000 degrees C. Now press the scroll button until the display reads UAL.L. The display should read UAL.L is 0 degrees. Now change this value with the up or down buttons to 1000 degrees. Now press the page button repeatedly until the display reads PV.CONF. Now press the scroll button until the display reads RNG.L. The display should read RNG.L is 0 degrees. Now change this value with the up or down buttons to 1000. Now press the scroll button until the display reads RNG.H. The display should read RNG.H is 1372 degrees C. Now change this value with the up or down buttons to 3000 degrees. Now press the page button repeatedly until the display reads Exit No. Press the up button to change the value No to Yes. At this time, the controller will reboot. You have successfully changed the input from Thermocouple type K to a linear 4 to 20 milliamp input in the range from 0 to 1372 degrees C to 1000 C to 3000 C. Last item to change is raising the operating set point low and high limits from 0 to 1372 C to the new 1000 to 3000 degrees range. Press the page button repeatedly until the display reads SP list. If you do not see the SP list, then the list is hidden from the operator. If so, you must put the controller into the full level to see the SP list. To put the controller in the full level, press the page button repeatedly until you see ACCS list. Press the scroll key once. The display will read code pass or 0. With the up button, change the value to 1. Now press the scroll key once and you will see go to OPER. With the up or down arrow, change the OPER to full. Now press the scroll key once. Press the page button repeatedly until the display reads SP list. Press the scroll key until the display reads SPL is 1000 degrees. If it is not 1000 degrees, then with the up or down arrows, change it to 1000 degrees. Now press the scroll key until the display reads SPH. The display should read 1372. Now press the up button to change the value of 1372 to 3000 degrees. Now press both the page and scroll buttons together and this will bring you back to the home display. Now you have successfully completed this change.
For information on all of our control solutions, please visit our website at www.nets-inc.com.